This is a defective Dell Latitude docking station. The user said he couldn't get his second monitor to work today, and everything he did, he couldn't get it to come up. So we have a second monitor over here. We are set to analog input for test. Here is our analog connection. And notice what happens when I plug it into the docking station. The monitor instantly goes to sleep. The unit says this exists. But it will not bring anything up on the monitor. It's still sleeping. It shows they both exist, but it will not do anything. I unplug the docking station. Hey, look! It's back. Now we take our DVI. Plug him back in. Change our input. And we now have duplication. So apparently something with the VGA port on the docking station is bad, so that's what Dell warranty's for.